Legal alert by Deepak Miglani. The individual name is a part of right of expression which is guaranteed under Article 19(1)(a) read with Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Allahabad High Court. Facts of the case. This writ petition had been filed by one Kabir Jaiswal, who had appeared for the class 11 and 12 CBSE exams as Rishu Jaiswal and had passed the said examinations also. The petitioner later on, with an intent to change his name from Rishu Jaiswal to Kabir Jaiswal, got a notice published in the notification in the Gazette of India and moved an application through school for correction of the name from Rishu Jaiswal to Kabir Jaiswal. The petitioner claims that the name was changed in the Aadhaar card and the PAN card, also in pursuance to the Gazette notification. The school in question forwarded the request to the board, and the board, wide order dated 27 May 2020, has rejected the application for change of name on the ground that the particulars of the school records do not show the change of name as sought by the petitioner. The said order is under challenge in the present writ petition. The petitioner's counsel Ram Sagar Yadav has argued that once a Gazette notification has been issued and no objections have been filed, it has been announced to the world in rem that the petitioner intends to change his name and no plausible cause exists for the board to reject the same. He further states that once the petitioner had made a request for change of name through the school concerned and there was no opposition to the same, the board should have no objection in change of name as sought by the petitioner. He also argued that since the Gazette notification had been published and presented before the CBSE, the board had rejected his application on hyper-technical basis. The counsel appearing for CBSE, Advocate H.N. Pandey, argued that the request for the name change cannot be made as per rule numbers 69.1 Subrule 1 and 69.1 Subrule 2 of the examination bylaws. The rules are related to obtaining permission to make a change in the candidate's mother's father's name. To get the name change application approved, the request has to be submitted before the board either prior or following the publication of the result. The request can only be approved if it is at variance with the names so recorded in the school records. The question was whether the CBSE regulations could be used to deny the rights enshrined under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India. Judgment. The Allahabad High Court then proceeded to examine whether CBSE bylaws can be used to take away or restrict the rights enshrined under Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution. It noted that CBSE is a society registered under the Societies Registration Act and is governed by the bylaws. The court said that when the notification issued by the Examination Committee on 1st February 2018 is combined with the fact that CBSE is a society, it is clear that CBSE rules do not have any statutory flavor. The court further acknowledged the right enshrined under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India are fundamental rights and can be taken away or restricted only in accordance with the procedure prescribed under Article 19(2) of the Constitution of India. The bench, after reading several judgments laid down by the Supreme Court, came to the conclusion that CBSE regulations cannot be considered to be the law as required for placing a reasonable restrictions on the rights enshrined under Article 19(1)(a) in terms of Article 19(2) of the Constitution of India. The judge also noted that having different names on different documents will cause undue hardship to both the petitioner and the respondent. The court directed CBSE to change the name of the petitioner in their records and to issue a fresh certificate to the petitioner within 2 months. Case details. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.